Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add animated GIFs to your Steam profile. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add a GIF to your Steam profile, you need to upload it as an animated artwork or animated avatar, depending on where you want it to appear. So for this, you must be at Steam level 10 or higher to unlock the artwork showcase. GIFs must be uploaded as unlisted artworks tied to a game. You need to first of all convert your GIF to a compatible format like MP4 or keep as a GIF that is less than 8 MB. Once this is done, go to your Steam profile, click on artwork and then click on upload artwork. Now under choose game, select a game you own or scroll to the bottom and click not related to a game. Then type Steam manually to pick Steam as the game. Now simply upload the GIF and check the box. After this, simply add a title and description and hit the submit button. Now go to your edit profile and then tap on profile showcase and art showcase and choose your uploaded GIF. Now hit the save button and you are all set by adding a GIF to your Steam profile. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.